Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sandy. Well, I don't know RT I tried draw out Queenie and Queenie answer. I don't know what bones have to say about this.
Yeah, man, only thing me have to say about this, you don't know RT make some talk with you and say, yo, Spice and them people are going to win the Grammy, so him thing a water down, so him just a look somebody for pick pan. And him say Queenie are going trend from the other day, so him a look something for jump on, pan. That's why you see my drop out to Queenie. So Queenie have all right to come out now, come and sign, you see it. Yeah, man, so just go and big up the viewers, them and the subscriber, them seeing me. Yeah, man, just we forward now the video still not to dry it out, you see me?
Where man IT boss? Me never know say you touch me. Better late than never. You know me did hear from last week and me never have no time for you. But it's like a Good Friday now, IT boss. Where man IT boss? You come for read people or where you come for the chat about me with big Shabada, big up yourself, Shibi! Me a big friend, Shabada. Shabada, me love you. IT boss. Let me tell you something. All me can say to you now, Good Friday, yeah? All this IT boss. This is for you. IT boss. That's a year one. Whether you're IT boss and for your trouble, me trouble your back. I don't give a fuck, so I can't tangle. I trouble for trouble. Trouble for trouble, IT boss. My pants all tear out. That's in the 20th century. IT boss is a Judas in 20. Remember, how that make people know you because you betrayal. You can't chat to me, you can't over me, you can't read me, you can't do me nothing. Because the one we serve God. But it's how each one deal with it. But you sit down on my live, you're live and chat me. You know me here from last week. I never put mine to it, but I get confirmation. So I address you. Judas! Judas! Yeah, he's a Judas. Me, people know I'm become be myself. I'm not for drag down. I let them drag me down. I drag down for drag down. So you drag me, I drag you back. You tear me, I tear you back. You wear me, I wear you back. You wear, I wear. Come to me, IT boss. I think you can discriminate me. Go ahead. No, we have to take back things that laugh. I want to find them. RT. Just I read back my comment them. At the rate of how I don't study the mind, I don't even know him name. Trust me. Been on my own world and I do my own thing it up. And this woman man thing, don't afraid of you. I swear to and so my pants tear and the crosses, the destruction tear off of me. Yeah, when I tear out and tell it to cipher. Love me, man. Leave me in the name of the Father, the Son. Go and go to your over working and read if you read and over if you over and do that, so if you do that, so man. But can't be said, where my name?